Let's have a healing moment here together, shall we? We're going to enter that inner space, the inner silence in each of us. So take a moment and prepare. Take a moment and breathe in the natural energy that is all around us, always available for us. And as you breathe out, allow your shoulders to soften. Notice any tension that might be present in your body. Speak to it. Speak release. Any tension anywhere, speak release to that tension. Breathe in that energy again. Release it. Divine Source is always saying yes to us, to our needs, and our healing on all levels. So today, as we open to Divine Source, as we think of our mind opening our heart, opening our very atoms, opening to Divine Source, divine healing. If you can imagine a bright white beam, imagine it created with the power of your beautiful divine mind. Imagine that beam coming all the way down and touching the top of your head. And as it does, that energy pulses at the top of your head. It's a purple, glowing, divine energy, and it pulses at the top of your head. And imagine that beam of light coming down further, down to your forehead, and it's going to pulse with a dark, deep blue color. Imagine that. Feel it, sense it with the power of your mind. And that beam of light continues down through your body, comes down to your throat area, and a beautiful, glowing, light blue, silvery gray light. The energy expands. And that light beam continues down through your body to your heart. Golden, pure, loving, expanding, always expanding. Our love is always expanding. This is the healing energy of Divine Source moving through us. And that light beam continues down next around your belly. This energy that looks red and pink, healing energy. And as it moves down your body, a rainbow of color swirls around your body. A rainbow of healing energy. And as we open to Divine Mind and Divine Source, all those colors flow in us and around us, bringing healing. We open to the healing that we need in mind, in body, in spirit today in this moment. As we sit here together, feel that swirl of energy around you and through you, because love is here for you in this moment. as we breathe in and as we breathe out, know that divine source is always here. Divine healing always says yes for you, always says yes for me, always says yes in our relationships, in our community. Open always to that yes. The divine healing is here for us in mind, body, soul, and spirit. And so it is. So it is.